Hi everyone. Today we're going to be looking at how to remove a single or even multiple items from an array in JavaScript. There are several ways that we can achieve this, but we'll look at just a couple. So up first we have splice. This method updates the array in place so you don't end up with a new copy of the array, but you instead mutate an existing one. So let's say you have an array filled with numbers 0 to 999, and then let's say we want to remove the item with the value 543. So first we find the index of the item 543, and then we use splice on the array we wish to modify. The first parameter of splice is the start position, and the second is the number of items to delete from the position. So in this case, we plug in the index and provide a delete count of 1. And that's it, we've mutated our array and removed the item. Another way we can remove an item is by filtering the array and then returning the result. This method will return a new array, so it can be useful if you don't want to modify the existing array. So let's say we have an array, as before, with items 0 through 999, and we want to remove the item with the value of 543. So we take the array and we filter it with a condition that returns true for every value except 543. And now we can use the result for whatever we're after without worrying about modifying the original array. If you found this useful, give it a like, and if you got any questions, leave a comment.